Have you ever come home and wondered why your phone isn't connecting to your Wi-Fi right away? Here's a quick tip to fix that. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap Settings icon, tap Connection, then tap Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected to, like your home Wi-Fi, and then tap the settings icon next to it. Here you will see an option called Auto Reconnect. Turn it on if you want your phone to automatically reconnect to this network whenever it's in range. With this setting, when you arrive home after work, your phone will instantly reconnect to your home Wi-Fi without you needing to tap anything. It's super handy if you use Wi-Fi calling or don't want to waste mobile data. And you can do the same for other networks too, like your office Wi-Fi. So your phone connects automatically the moment you walk into work. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.